a function is said to be onto if images of if or every element of if every element of y every element of y is images of some elements in x, some elements in x under some elements in x under f is under f such that f of x equal to y. This is the onto function f of x equal to y. Here a function is said to be onto if every element of y is the image of some elements in x under f. Here that is such that f of x equal to y. Now here f of x to y a, b, c and 1, 2, 3. The function is 1, 1 and also on 2. 1, 1 and also on 2. One more definition for onto. Here ranges and codomains are equal. Ranges equal to codomain. Here codomains equal to range. This is also onto function. Here ranges are 1, 2, 3 and codomains are 1, 2, 3. Both are equal, therefore it is onto function. Okay. Next example. And here f of x to y a, b, c. Here a, b, q or s. p, q or s. Now a is pairing with p, c is pairing with r and d is pairing with q. This is 1, 1 function but not onto. Because here ranges are p, q, r. 3 ranges but codomains p, q, r, s. Here ranges of p, q, r not equal to only 3, not equal to codomains p, q, r, s. 4. Here codomains are 4 elements but ranges are 3 elements, not equal, therefore it is not onto function. Okay. Next f of x to y x, y, z and 1 and 2. This is three, 4. Now x is pairing with 1 and also pairing with 2, y is pairing with 3, z is pairing with 4. Onto function. This is f is onto, because here we have 1, 2, 3, 4 ranges, and they are also pairing with x, y, z. All are pairing with x, y, z. 4 codomains and 4 ranges. It is function. It is onto function. This is onto function. Next, but it is not 1. This is many one function. Here x has the image is 1 and 2. Therefore, it is many one function. So then, the third one, bijective function. In the bijective function, if a function is said to be bijective, which if f is 1, 1 and on 2, 1, 1 and on 2. If function is read 1, 1 and on 2, which is nothing but bijective function. Here f of x, y 1, 2, ab. This is 1, 1 and on 2. And f of x, y 1, 2, 3, 4 a, b, c, d. This is also 1, 1 and on 2. Both are 1, 1 and on 2 function. These are the 3 types of functions and their definitions. These functions are very important point for examination, carrying 3 marks. Okay, bye.